Hello guys, myself Karan Udaypuriya. Welcome you to our JEE Advanced series. Our topic for today is integration. And believe me, you could expect at least 4 questions every year from integration, and out of which 2 are very easy. If followed the rules properly, we could easily solve those 2 questions. So our target is to solve those 2 questions, and let's look at one such question now. First, let's look at the golden formulas which are required for every integration question. A to b f of x dx could also be written as a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. Yes, and one more, minus a to a f of x dx is equal to twice of 0 to a f of x dx, provided that f of x is even. Now, how to identify an even and an odd function? For the function for which f of x is equal to f of minus x, the function is called even. For example, cos x. Cos of x is equal to cos of minus x, so cos is an even function. And similarly, sin x, sin of x is not equal to sin of minus x, rather it equals to minus sin x, so it's an odd function. Having understood this, let's start our question. So from the question, the very first step that strikes our mind is a to b formula, the formula that we discussed here, f of a to b minus x. So let's start it. I is equal to 2 by pi minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, dx remains as it is, and here 1 plus e to the power minus sin x. How? In place of x, we put pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus x. So pi by 4 and minus pi by 4 cancels each other, and sin of minus x remains. Since sin is an odd function, we take the minus outside and it results in minus sin x. Similarly, for cos 2x, since cos 2x is an even function, so there is no change in sign. Now continuing it, we take the LCM. E to the power minus x is also equal to 1 by e to the power x. Similarly, for this case, if we take the LCM, we get e to the power sin x dx by 1 plus e to the power sin x into 2 minus cos 2x. Now we see some similarity in this I and I above this one. The LCM are same, and we see if we add both the i's, we get this term cancelled. So let's start. 2i is equal to 2 by pi minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, 1 plus e to the power sin x dx by 1 plus e to the power sin x into 2 minus cos 2x. Since both the terms are common in numerator and denominator, we cancel them. And here 2 cancels with 2. So finally we have I equal to 1 by pi minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 dx by 2 minus cos 2x. Now, if you have seen my previous videos, I have repeatedly said that when we see cos x or sin x, we replace them by the tangent formula. For example, here we have cos 2x, so we could write 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. This is the best thing we can do. So, coming back to our question, 1 by pi minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 dx by 2 minus, we use the formula 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Now taking the LCM, as easy as it is, minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. So 1 plus tan square x becomes sec square x in the numerator, and in the denominator we get 1 plus 3 tan square x. Having simplified the whole question, we find that if we take tan x as t, its derivative sec square x is there in the numerator. So let's try that way. Let tan x equal to t. So the derivative sec square x dx is equal to dt. So this term here could be replaced by dt, and the limits when x is equal to minus pi by 4, t is equal to minus 1, and when x is equal to plus pi by 4, t is equal to tan pi by 4, that's 1. Okay, now replacing these terms in our question, I is equal to 1 by pi minus 1 to 1 dt by 1 plus 3 t square, right? Now having done this, we have seen the formula. If our function is even, we could replace this by 2 and here 0. So here 3t square of anything is an even function, right? So we could write this as by pi 2 0 to 1 dt by 1 plus 3t square. We just saw this formula now. I have turned the page. So our I was 2 by pi dt by 1 plus 3t square. The limits are minus 0 to 1, right? Yes. So now we take 3 common. 2 by 3 pi, the limits are 0 to 1, 1 by t square plus 1 by 3. Now we have learned the formula that 1 by x, here dt is 1 by x square plus a square dx integration is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So here in place of x we are having t, in place of a we are having 1 by root 3, sorry. So using this formula, 3 pi 0 to 1, and the formula is 1 by a. Our a here is equal to 1 by root 3, right? So using it here, root 3 tan inverse x we are having t, and instead of a we are having root 3 tan inverse root 3 t, right? Yes. Now root 3 and 3 cancels to some extent, 2 by root 3 pi, and here we have 0 to 1 tan inverse root 3 t. Now this one could be written as 2 by root 3 pi. Now we put the limits. If we put t as 1, tan inverse root 3, and we know tan inverse root 3 is pi by 3, 60 degree, right? And tan inverse 0 is equal to 0. So now here pi cancels each other, we get 2 by 3 root 3. So therefore our I is equal to 2 by 3 root 3, but the question demanded 27 I square, if you remember. So 27 I square is equal to 27 into I square, 4 by 27. This cancels each other. Therefore the answer we get to 27 I square is 4. This question was pretty easy one, just required 2 formulas, and yeah, we could expect such questions in near future. तो अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए और कमेंट करके बताइए कि आपको किस टॉपिक के वीडियोस चाहिए इस सीरीज़ में. Do press the subscribe button, especially that bell icon, to get the updates on my upcoming videos. Stay safe, ध्यान रखिए और मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. जय हिंद.